I mean, it's very dramatic. Actually, mas mabuti kung maawa siya dun sa mga naapektuhan ng Dimbaksya because that's actually the mothers there face far more than whatever I'm facing now. Because losing 2 months in Congress or even losing my position, facing suspension or expulsion, these are very small compared to the problems that the average Filipino citizen face. And me, I can afford to lose my job here in Congress, but the average Filipino citizen, especially now when we're facing severe economic instability with plenty of issues, it's going to be very hard for the average Filipino citizen. And I think that we should be more focused on putting our emotions should be more focused for them rather than people in Congress. Because everyone here in Congress, we already have well-built lives.